Headlines are quick pieces of good or bad news that affect the team or company. These help everyone stay aware of important updates. A few examples are new client signed or system outage reported last Friday. Just like metrics and goals, you'll notice a 5-minute timer to help keep this section brief and focused. You'll also see the context-aware icons next to each headline, allowing you to create a to-do or an O&O if something shared needs further discussion or follow-up. If a headline feels like it needs more conversation, create an O&O, and we'll cover it later in that section. There's also a third icon here, copy headline. This lets you share the headline with other meetings, including the title and any added details. This is useful when two or more teams need to stay informed about the same thing, or if you want to share a shout-out across meetings. Keep in mind, the ability to copy headlines across meetings will depend on your organization's settings and which meetings you're allowed to share with. Next up, to-dos.